Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wild. Today we are talking about MileIQ versus Stride. So when it comes to tracking your miles, there's always the question, should you pay for a dedicated mileage tracker like MileIQ, or should you stick with something free such as Stride? Stride is best known for being free and offering access to health insurance plans, which can be helpful for some gig workers, but when it comes to mileage tracking specifically, the question is whether a free option can really keep up with the accuracy and the reliability, along with the audit-ready reports that MileIQ provides. On the surface, free sounds like a smarter choice, but in gig work and in small business, free can sometimes mean more than you realize. So let's break down the differences so you know which one actually saves you money. So in this video, we are talking about the difference between MileIQ and Stride for gig workers, what they are saying versus how it actually is, and everything in between. But before we do that, let's go over a quick disclaimer. The content of this video does not contain, is never intended to be, legal, business, financial, tax, or health advice of any kind. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It is advised that you conduct your own research and consult qualified professionals before applying anything you find online. I also want to be clear that everything that we're going to be going over is very market to market and case by case, and what applies to me in my market and my situation may not apply to you. So with that said, let's get started. Ease of use. Both apps are meant to make mileage tracking easier, but they both approach tracking miles very differently. MileIQ is seamless. You install it, it runs quietly in the background, and your drives are logged automatically. You don't have to change your behavior. You simply drive, classify, move on. Stride is entirely manual. You have to remember to start and stop tracking for every single drive, and that means you're building a new habit around the app itself. If you forget, or you lose a trip, or you waste time adding it in later, it's lost for good. MileIQ adapts to you, while Stride expects you to adapt to it. For busy gig workers, juggling multiple apps, clients, schedules, that difference makes MileIQ far less tedious and far more reliable. Accuracy and reliability. Accuracy isn't simply about technology, it's about consistency. MileIQ runs automatically in the background. Every trip is logged without you thinking about it, which means the data is consistent and reliable no matter how busy your day gets. You could do 100 orders and it'll track all your miles. Stride puts that burden upon you because of how everything is manual, and the accuracy of your logs is entirely dependent on how disciplined you are at remembering to start, stop, or enter drives later. Hey, you might be absolutely great at that. For most gig workers, juggling orders, juggling calls, family responsibilities, things that happen throughout your day, it's easy to slip up. So when it comes to something as important as your tax deductions, you don't want the accuracy of your logs dependent on your willpower to remember, and not to mention how exhausting that is. You want a system that works independently. That's where MileIQ has a clear advantage. Reporting. At tax time, clean reports make all the difference. MileIQ gives you professional, detailed reports that are structured for IRS compliance. You can export them monthly, yearly, even schedule them automatically. Your professional can drop them straight into your return without any extra questions. Stride, on the other hand, will give you mileage totals, but they're basic and they're really less detailed. If you're running multiple gigs or a small business, you'll end up piecing things together just to make them useful. Your tax pro is going to want something clear and audit ready. MileIQ delivers that. Stride makes you work a little harder for it. And if you're looking for a qualified tax professional who is going to simplify your tax reporting and save you time, energy, and money, then GigTax is here to help. Whether you're a rideshare driver, food delivery driver, or any other kind of self-employed individual, your time is too valuable to be wasting on tax prep. So while you keep hustling, GigTax can help you save big. GigTax was founded by Joseph Mayo, a seasoned gig worker with over 7,000 deliveries across 7 platforms since 2020. And they understand the challenges of gig workers, freelancers, rideshare drivers, couriers, online sellers, really gig workers and self-employed individuals of all different kinds and walks of life. Their #1 online tax preparation service is designed to help you maximize your tax savings and save you time, energy, and money. So enjoy exclusive discounts on tax prep services, as well as a range of other benefits such as electronic and state filing, year-round direct access to tax professionals and financial partners, their client app and portal, and audit support. All absolutely free and incredibly valued benefits when filing with GigTax. With more benefits on the way, by the way. I'm not really supposed to say that, but just wanted to give you a heads up. He's working on some stuff in the background. So if you're ready to keep more of what you earn, check out drivenwild.com/GigTax to book your strategy session and learn more about how GigTax can help you simplify and save on your taxes today. And with all of that said, back to the video. Price and cost. This is where most people are going to hesitate because they don't want to spend money unnecessarily when they could do it for free, but let's break this down. Stride's price, it's free. It's the main reason that people grab it. There's zero upfront cost, and that's really all of it. MileIQ's price, there's a monthly or yearly subscription. There's an actual dollar figure attached. But here's the key. Price is what you pay. Cost is what actually costs you long term. The cost of Stride is missed miles if you forget to start or stop. Messy records that take hours to clean up and potentially leaving hundreds or thousands of deductions on the table. It costs you more to have the free option than it would to be the paid option, which the cost of MileIQ is a subscription fee, $7.50 a month. But in exchange, you get the accuracy and reliability and audit support that protects your deduction. Investing into MileIQ isn't just about paying for an app. It's about investing in yourself and your business. You're buying back time, protecting your money, avoiding the hidden costs of free. Free helps you save money in the short term. Paying a small subscription fee will save you more money long term. Final thoughts. So which one should you use at the end of the day? If you only drive occasionally, Stride may work as a basic option. Some drivers even use it as a health insurance marketplace because that also comes with the app. So if that's the reason you want to use Stride, go for it. But if driving is a serious part of your income or a significant enough part of your income to where it's worth making sure that your deductions are maximized, being your gig apps, contracting, running your own business, whatever that looks like, MileIQ is going to be the smarter choice. The price of a MileIQ subscription is small compared to the costs of missed miles, messy logs, or lost deductions. In the long run, investing in a reliable tracking isn't just about saving time, it's about protecting your money and building a stronger business. Although remember, mileage tracking is also a part of the puzzle. A tax professional can help you turn those into real savings. That's why we brought up GigTax. They specialize in gig workers and small business owners, so they know how to maximize your deductions and keep you compliant. All the links that I talk about, by the way, all the companies I talked about, they're in the description, so feel free to check them out. So sign up for GigTax and sign up for MileIQ today and make sure you're making the most amount of money and saving more along the way. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe. Check out my website, drivenwild.com, if you would like to learn more about some of the services and gig platforms that we have talked about in the past and are offering the gig workers today. Also, if you want to stay on the cutting edge of what's happening in the gig economy today and be in the know of what most people are talking about, make sure to check out our new channel, the Gone Wild Live Clips and Podcasts, where we take the live streams we hold on Thursdays at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and cut them down to more digestible clips and have them posted here. Also, check out my Patreon for more exclusive clips, full-length live stream replays, and other membership perks for self-employed individuals who want to grow and scale their business. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.
Rise up, shake off that 9 to 5 rust. In this wild world of